Work history is essential in a Social Security disability claim. There is a subtle, but extremely important relationship between a person's work history and the Social Security disability process. During the application process, SSA will evaluate the mental and physical requirements of your past work. If Social Security feels that you're still capable of performing work, despite your impairment, your case will be denied. To enhance your chance of winning, accurately describe the duties of your past work, as you perform them. Carefully describe how the physical or mental limitations caused by the impairment prevent you from returning to any form of work activity. Keep in mind that the issue of work is extremely important to determine if benefits will be awarded. There are several ways to submit your work history data to SSA. Usually, SSA will provide a form, asking for details about your past jobs. You must be very careful when describing your past jobs. An incorrect description can lead to a denial of benefits. Vocational issues in a disability claim are complicated, and best left to an advocate professional. We strongly recommend using a disability advocate representative when applying. Your representative can help you avoid common vocational mistakes that lead to a denial of benefits. If you've never heard of a non-attorney disability advocate, then watch this video. You can also learn more about the field of non-attorney disability advocacy by visiting our website at www.ssahelp.com. Or, click on the Disability Advocate training link below this video. Want even more great insights into the Social Security Disability Program? Please click on the subscribe button, like, and bell. You will be automatically notified of each new release of our informative videos. Thank you for watching.